Hello guys, welcome back. So sa video ito, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung combination formula. So yung combination formula is combination of n taken r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Okay? So para lang siyang permutation formula pero may nakadivide na r factorial. So, paano natin to gagamitin? So, example, combination of 8 taken 3 is equal to, so substitute lang natin yan dito sa formula natin. So, ito yung n natin, ito yung r. So, n factorial, 8 factorial over n, 8 minus r, 3 factorial over r factorial, 3 factorial. Okay? Then, simplify lang natin yan. 8 factorial. 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial. And times 3 factorial. So, may times na dito. And then, expand natin to. That is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Stop na tayo sa 5 factorial kasi may denominator tayo na 5 factorial. So, cancel na natin yan. Then, 3 factorial is equal to 6. So, cancel na itong 6. So, matitira na lang is 8 times 7. That is equal to 56. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Then, for example, number 2 natin. Combination of 7 taken 5 plus combination of 7 taken 4. So, paano naman ito? So, i-isa-isahin lang natin itong i-simplify. Then, i-add natin. So, i-simplify muna natin tong combination of 7 taken 5. That's equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Okay? Expand natin yung 7 factorial. That is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then ito, 7 minus 5 is 2. So, that's 2 factorial. Then, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, cancel na natin to. Patitira na lang is 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Divided by 2 factorial is 2. Then, 42 divided 2 is 21. Okay? Ito na yung value ng combination of 7 taken 5. Now, yung combination of 7 taken 4 naman is combination of 7 taken 4 that is equal to 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Then, expand lang natin tong 7 factorial. That's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. So, stop na tayo sa 4 factorial. 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial times 4 factorial. So, nag-stop na tayo kanina kasi may 4 factorial tayo sa ating denominator. So, cancel lang yan. Now, 3 factorial is 6. So, cancel na natin tong 6 and 3 factorial. So, matitira na lang is 7 times 5 which is 35. Then, nakuha na natin to. That is 21. Ito naman is 35. So, the final answer is 56. So, ganun lang yon. So, for the last example natin, combination of 9 taken 9. Again, substitute lang natin yung mga value sa formula. That is 9 factorial, yung n natin is 9 over n, 9 again, minus r. So, r natin is 9 din. Factorial. Times r factorial, 9 factorial. Then, simplify lang natin. So, cancel na pala tong 9 factorial kasi same sila. Matitira na lang is 1 over 9 minus 9 is 0. So, 0 factorial. Now, 0 factorial is 1. So, 1 over 1. So, the final answer is 1. In short, pag equal yung n tsaka r natin, yung resulting combination is always equal to 1. Okay? Remember that. So, yun lang yun. Kung meron kayong mga problems na related dito sa topic natin, comment below lang and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.